Alright everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are diving into something super practical. What a DevOps engineer actually does every single day. Not a theory, not definition, but their real day-to-day work. If you are ever wondered what a DevOps jobs actually look like, this video is for you. So let's start with a quick overview of what the DevOps usually look like. A DevOps engineer does not do just one thing. It's a mix of automation, pipeline work, monitoring systems, and work closely with the different teams. Think of it like as being a person who keeps the entire software delivery machine running smoothly. One of the biggest daily tasks is managing CI/CD pipelines. You know, those automated processes that build and deploy applications. Yeah, those. A lot of day is spent fixing failed builds, optimizing the pipelines, and making sure the deployments go out smoothly. If something breaks, DevOps is usually the first one to jump in. Next up, automation and scripting. DevOps engineers hate repeating manual work. If something is done more than twice, it gets automated. This could be a small script to restart services, a cron job, or even a full automation workflow. It saves time, reduce mistakes, and honestly, it feels good to automate stuff. Now, this is the big part of modern DevOps: infrastructure as a code, short form IAC. Instead of creating servers manually, the cloud service providers like DevOps Engineer write Terraform templates, reusable modules, and GitOps workflow to build infrastructure the same way developers write the code. Everything is version controlled, structured, repeatable. That's the power of IAC. A big part of the job is also keeping an eye on the health of system. This means dashboards, alerts, and the logs, making sure everything is performing as expected. If something goes down or an alert fires, the DevOps engineer jumps in, investigates, fix the issue, and then prevent it from happening again. DevOps isn't a solo job. You work with the developers to fix deployment issues, work with the QA team to pair test environments, and with the cloud team to infrastructure upgrade. That's usually a daily stand-up and constant communication. DevOps is truly a bridge between the teams. And finally, continuous improvement. A DevOps engineer always refine things, making pipeline faster, improve documentation, simplifying onboarding, and enhance security checks. Every day is about making the system better than it was yesterday. Alright, so to wrap it up, a DevOps engineer days involve managing pipelines, automating repetitive tasks, handling infrastructure as a code, monitoring and responding to the issues, working with multiple teams, continually improving the process. It's a mix of engineering, problem solving, collaboration, and lot of automation. If you found this video, stay tuned because in the next video we are going deeper into each one of these areas with real examples and hands-on demos. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment if you want a full walkthrough of real DevOps workday. See you in the next video.